Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting technologies shaping our world, machine learning, or ML. By the end of this video, you'll understand what ML really is, how it works, the different types of ML, and where you see it in your everyday life. Let's get started. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence where computers learn patterns from data without being explicitly programmed. Think of traditional programming like giving a child step-by-step instructions. But machine learning is more like showing the child many examples and letting them learn the rules on their own. If you show a computer thousands of labeled pictures of cats and dogs, it learns the patterns, the shapes, colors, textures, and then it can correctly identify new images it has never seen before. In simple words, machine learning equals data plus algorithms that learn patterns plus predictions or decisions. It's machines learning from experience. Machine learning is so powerful because it improves with more data and more practice. It's like the computer's brain becomes sharper over time. From recognizing voices and predicting traffic to recommending videos and detecting fraud, ML is behind many things we use every day. There are three main types of machine learning. Let's break them down intuitively. Supervised learning is like learning with a teacher. We give the machine example inputs and the correct outputs in advance. For example, you show the model thousands of photos labeled cat or dog. The model observes the patterns and learns to predict the correct label for new images. Common supervised learning tasks include classification, predicting categories like spam versus not spam. Regression, predicting numbers like house prices or stock values. Most ML applications today, from email filters to medical diagnosis, use supervised learning. Unsupervised learning is learning without a teacher. Here, the data has no labels. The machine tries to find patterns or groups on its own. Imagine walking into a party where you don't know anyone. Naturally, you group people based on similarities, their conversations, clothing, or interests. That's what unsupervised learning does. Common tasks include clustering, grouping customers based on buying behavior. Dimensionality reduction, simplifying data by keeping only important patterns. This type is useful when we want to discover hidden structures in data. Reinforcement learning is inspired by how humans and animals learn through reward and punishment. Here, the machine is like an agent in an environment. It takes actions and receives rewards or penalties based on those actions. Over time, it learns the best strategy. Examples include a robot learning to walk, a self-driving car learning how to navigate roads, AI systems that play chess or video games and beat world champions. Reinforcement learning is powerful because the machine learns from its own mistakes and continuously improves. Now let's understand how ML models are built. When we have a dataset, we split it into three parts. 1. Training set. This is the data the model learns from, like study material. 2. Validation set. This is used to tune the model, like solving sample test questions to adjust your strategy. 3. Testing set. This is data the model has never seen before. It helps us measure real-world performance. Why do we do this? Because a model must not just memorize the data, it must generalize. If it performs well only on the training data but fails on new data, it's overfitting. The goal is a balanced, smart model that performs well on new, unseen situations. Machine learning is not just for scientists or big tech companies. It's already shaping your daily life in ways you may not notice. Here are some everyday examples. 1. YouTube and Netflix recommendations. ML analyzes your watching habits and recommends videos or movies that you're likely to enjoy. 2. Google Maps traffic prediction. ML learns traffic patterns from millions of data points and predicts which route is fastest. 3. Voice assistants, Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant. They use ML to understand your speech and improve accuracy over time. 4. Spam detection in email. Your email inbox stays clean because ML identifies unwanted messages. 5. Online shopping recommendations. E-commerce sites show products based on your browsing and purchase history using ML. 6. Face recognition. Your phone unlocking using your face is a perfect example of ML in action. 7. Fraud detection in banking. Unusual transactions are flagged instantly because ML models detect suspicious patterns. Machine learning is everywhere, silently making systems smarter and more personalized. To summarize, machine learning is about teaching computers to learn patterns from data and make smart decisions. Whether it's supervised, unsupervised, or reinforcement learning, the core idea is the same. Machines improving through experience. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each learning type with visual examples and mini demos. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone curious about AI and ML. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.